What was that? Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumber Capital Log Yard. Wow. I hope you all are having a lovely day. I don't know everything that I'm doing today, so I'm going to get out and find out. I assume that I'll be running the mill for most of the time, but Sammy should be up here pretty soon. She's not here yet. And then I would assume that I'm just running the mill with Jade though. So let's go ahead and get to it. But before we begin, remember to like and subscribe and check out our merch shop. I'll leave it in a link down in the description. All right, the deck is loaded. The trailer is full, so somebody's gonna need to sticker that. I'm guessing it's a Sammy job, but we'll see. As far as what we're cutting today, we do have a few orders, but they're mainly all inventoried dimensions. We do need as many 2x10s as we can get for the garden bed kits, and many of these smaller logs like these are going to be cut into 6x6s. I think we're pretty much all set up on the mill, so we can go ahead and get started.